Hi there! I am teacher Julian.
Hi everyone, this is your teacher John.
Hello everyone, my name is teacher Rylin D. Ates.
Guys, have you heard about the announcement?
Yeah,
As much as I want face-to-face, it's just unsafe. It makes me think about how we will distribute the materials to our students and also their activities.
although there is a Google Classroom, it's still a standard one and they are still lacking in some aspects.
I agree.
Thinking of a way to spice up your quizzes? Well, I got you.
Open App Store or Play Store. Search Kahoot, Play, and create quizzes. Download and open.
Or type kahoot.com.
You will be welcome with this. Now, click Next. If you already have an account, click Login. Choose what is relevant for you and provide the necessary information.
They have subscription and you can choose your plan, but don't worry, you can skip that and still use it for free. Create your profile. You will see this on the left corner. Discover will lead you to different published content. Library is your activities and creations. Then your learning, groups, and reports are the summary of your activities. And if you will join, you have to provide PIN or scan QR code. Now we will click Create Kahoot. There are tons of templates available if you wish to simply type in your questions or content. But if you want to start from scratch, click Blank Canvas. Here, change the question type. This group is to test knowledge. For collect opinions, actions are available only to subscribers. We also have Present Info where you can have slides. You can utilize Add Media to insert images. There are online images or you can provide your own. The upper rectangle is for your questions. The four others are for options. Now let me finish my sets of questions first. To mark the correct answer, just remember to click this one. You can also set a timer for each question. Clicking these three dots will lead you to these actions. Click Done. Write a title. Choose your preferred theme. When you click the setting icon, you will be led here. Just choose what is applicable for your content. Set it to public to publish. Then save. Share it by copying the link. If you want to have a live quiz, click Host Live. Modify to your liking, start, and then wait for a pin. And there you are! Enjoy!
Level up learning with fun and smart quizzes. Go to your App Store or your Play Store and search Quizizz. Click Download and Open. Or you can search wayground.com. After opening, you will be welcomed with these options and click what's best for you. After clicking, you can now start signing in your account or making your own account. After successfully creating an account, you will be welcomed with this. From here, you can explore different classes for different subjects like English or social studies. But you can also search for a specific subject or a specific lesson that you want. After searching, if you already have a chosen topic, simply join the class and start answering the quizzes. But here's the cool part. You can also create your own quizzes by clicking Create Quiz in the upper right corner. Start by naming your quiz. Click Got It to continue. Next, click Create Question and select the type of quiz question that you want. You can choose from multiple choice, fill in the blanks, or an open-ended type of question. Next, you'll see 4 boxes where you can enter the answer choices. Click first the top rectangle to type your question, then fill in the choices below. Simply click the check icon to mark the correct answer. After that, click the timer icon in the upper left to set the time duration for answering the question. When you're done, click Save Question. If you prefer, you can also search a question or add another question. The symbols in white long rectangle allows you to edit your text. You can also personalize your quiz by creating a cover image. To share your quiz, simply copy the link. And if you wish to have a live or real-time quiz, click Challenge Friends, provide your name, wait for a code, and share it or share the direct link to your participants. And that's how Quizizz, now we ground, works its magic.
Studying doesn't have to be boring. With Quizlet, you can turn your lessons into fun interactive games and flashcards. Let's dive in it and use Quizlet like a pro. To start, you can type in quizlet.com on Chrome or you can download on Play Store. Click sign up for free. Log in if you have already an account or continue to Google. Choose your account and continue. Here you should fill out your birthday, your username or your name, and continue to sign up. After you sign up, there is get started, so you can skip on that. To level up your experience, you can also avail their premium, but if you can't, then it's fine. You can also avail it for free. This is your home. At the left corner, you have your own tools. Now, let's sign up as a teacher. First, I'll click the I'm a teacher and then sign up for free. And then just like the student, you have to sign up or log in. You can continue with Google or any account that you have. Sign in your chosen account and continue. Like the students, you have to fill in the necessary information, including your birthday or your chosen username. After that, you should choose the I'm a teacher before you sign up. As a teacher, your homepage should be like this. This will be your tools, which I will discuss. First, we have create content. So under this, we have the flashcard set, study guide, and practice test. So on assign activity, you can choose between learn, flashcard, test, or a match. Under it is where you fill out your activity details. Lastly, we have play class games. Here is where you turn your activities into fun games, namely live, blast, and categories. Before anything else, first you have to create your class. Fill out the necessary information. For example, your class, you can put there, for example, 1A, and your school name, for example, CNU Cebu, and then create the class. Now that you have a class, you can invite your student using Google Classroom or you can invite them through copy link. Take note that on the right corner is the student's POV and on the left is the teacher's POV. The students will copy paste the link that you have provided and they will be redirected to the class page on Quizlet. As you can see in the screen, it is the same class. If the student had already joined your class, you can check it out on the below section in here. Since you are done with creating your class and letting your student join, then you can proceed with assigning the activities. Again, you can choose between learn, flashcard, test, or match. So before anything else, create your flashcard first so that you can assign activities smoothly. So here, I will show you how to do a flashcard. In the title, for example, you can do poetic devices and add a description if you want. After you input your topic on the flashcard, then you can smoothly create or assign your activities that you will give out to your students. Above, you should choose your content and then poetic devices that you just created. Fill out the necessary details and now you can assign it to your student. To give it to them, you can copy link or scan the code, or you can also post it on the Google Classroom, anything that you want. As a student, you will copy the copy link that your teacher had given to you, and then you can enter your nickname or your name depending on what your teacher said. Then you can join the activity. After that, you should start the activity and then start answering. Now, that is how you use Quizlet. Be sure to apply what you just learned and also explore the tools so you will be able to provide the best for your students.
An application where you can create polls, digital quizzes, and take attendance using QR codes? Let me introduce to you Plickers.
The same with any other application, you need to sign in.
After signing in, you will click the new pack. After clicking, you will type in what class you want to create. Then click Add Students. After adding the name of your students, you can sort it by their first name or sort by their last name. After successfully typing in your students and creating your class, you will now click the word New Set on the upper left for you to be able to create your quiz. So here, I am now typing an example for your quiz. After typing in your question, you can now also type in the choices. You can also customize your question by highlighting it. After you're done, click Add Queue so the question will be added to your class. And now you might start wondering, how can your students answer the quizzes you just created? Since Plickers uses QR codes, you can download or print these QR codes in the internet. You can just search Plicker cards and this will appear. After printing, you will give your students their individual codes like this. So, in every code there is a corresponding letter. So for this side, there's letter A, letter B, letter C, and letter D. All they have to do is to raise their codes and you can scan it using your mobile phone. You will just need to download the Plickers app, sign in your account, and then scan their codes. And their names will show and if their answers are correct or wrong. And that's how you use Plickers. I hope you've learned something from me today. Thank you and see you soon.
I think I have an idea now on what to use during our online classes.
It sure is easy for us to use as well as to the students.
We'll go through this together. With the app that you recommended, the students will surely learn efficiently.
I can wait to apply this with my students and have fun using these tools.